Luminous! Put a smile on your face, man. So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Computer Tech Review, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Akazo V50 Pro and how do we connect the external mic provided by the company Akazo itself. How it is connected to my helmet, that is what you're going to check. So this helmet is the Studs helmet and this is the Ninja 3G. You see the cable is graded cable and it is of made up of good quality, so it can hold the wear and tear as well. So how did I connect to the helmet? Let's check it out. So this is how the cable, I have taken out the padding inside and I have put the mic inside of the padding and I've glued it, and this is the mic itself. And to the end of the cable, because this is going to be outside, and if you're using this without the camera, then this would be hitting your helmet. So what I did is I have attached a small velcro, so this keeps the cable and the connector in place. So that also is something that you need to. Another angle. So I did a side mount, and here's where the action camera goes, and here is the audio cable which goes into the action camera. So this is a side view. For that is because the Studs Ninja 3G has a dual purpose helmet. This is also becomes a half helmet when you don't want to use the full helmet. So hence mounting the camera over here will be slightly cumbersome, so hence I put it in a side view. And also make sure when you're doing this motor vlogging that your vents like this is closed and you don't have any wind which is coming inside, and also make sure that the visor is tightly fit. So that's what it is, and let's check out the video sample and how the audio clarity is coming across while doing So I hope the audio is coming out clear. There are two things which I like about the cable. It is fairly inexpensive. It costed me around 12 to 1400 rupees. And also the second thing is the cable wire. It is a braided wire, so it has all the cloth lining and hence it makes it more durable. If the audio clarity of this is good, then we can certainly look at an alternative, which is the Akazo V50 Pro. Hope the clarity is good. I also have done a separate video on the video clarity and the settings, and also how the action camera looks. So that is in a separate video. You can check it out with the link which is appearing right now. Considering that, and also the cost of the camera, I think this is a fairly and a decent alternative for the GoPro Hero 7. And if you have a Ninja 3G helmet, or a helmet which is, I guess again I'm not trying to tell you to buy an expensive helmet, but if you are spending a good amount of money, obviously you will get full soundproofing. But if your budget is limited and you want to start off with motor vlogging, then the basic helmets, which is like a full-fledged helmet, like something like this, which is just around 1800 to 2000 rupees. So a helmet like this will certainly be a beginner's guide to start off with motor vlogging. So on and all, for this setup, I think I have spent almost around 14,000 rupees. Camera itself costed me around 12,000. 2,000 rupees, 1800 is for the helmet, and another
1200 is for the mic, so around 14 to 15,000 rupees. So this is the setup compared to a GoPro, which is almost 35,000. So rather than investing over there, if you want to start off with motovlogging and if your requirement is fulfilled, I think then this should be apt to start off with motovlogging. So now let's check out with the speed test and see whether the wind noise is impacting. So this is at 40 kilometers, in fact 50 kilometers, and I hope the audio is coming out clearly. I'm sure that there would be certain wind noise also which would be coming across. So that was at a higher speed, so now let's again check out at a little more speed. So this is at 90 kilometers per hour, and I hope the audio clarity is coming out good. So lockdown in fact has put everybody at home and kept the streets empty for bikers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off. Until then, stay at home and be safe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.